All right, everybody, so this is day 1, 2. This is day 2. Finished shooting, it's a wrap. I'm relaxing at the hotel. Beautiful Florida weather, they weren't lying. And you see that little thing up there in the corner where my finger's pointing? That is actually the moon. It's a crescent moon. And I just had to do a short video of this because it is so beautiful out here. Look at this. And you know, all my people tell me, oh, you gotta move to Florida when you retire. It is beautiful. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. So I'm out here just enjoying myself. Just finished wrap. Shot from 8 o'clock to about 8 at night. So did a 12-hour day. You know, shout out to my people once again at Show Chrome for setting all this up, and you know, it's been an experience. I'm enjoying myself. So I'll be bringing you some more footage as time goes on. Of course, you know me. It's not over yet. I'm still gonna shoot. I'm gonna meet up with 305 tomorrow. I gotta pick up a Ryker and we're gonna ride around with them and we're gonna have a good time. So keep following me on this journey.
He's a funny guy. He's a real funny guy. But we know that's not happening. You know what I'm saying? They know who to protect the group. Who protects the group out? Me? What? The protector of the group. Bulldog? Yeah, the big dog. There we go. See, case closed, man. That's what I do. Y'all safe right there. Y'all safe right there. I got all this on lock. 3-wheel Ryker, man.
Check come.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Check come, come CT.
Oh, listen, man. Little guy, big bullets. Big guy, small.
You know what I'm saying? When the big dog come on the court, and we know the little dog bite up. They know what time it is.
When the name's big on the check, just look for the small print. I know the meaning with the small print.
Oh shit, these guys are wild, man. We having a good time out here. Miami, this is great, man. I tell you, I've been laughing and joking around so much, man. This has been a hell of an experience, I tell you.
You're right. For sure.
You in. This is going on YouTube. It's gonna go on YouTube forever.
What's going on?
My man D-Lo 305. Check it out.
Hey, what's going on?
It's shining. It's shining.
It ain't shining, it ain't shining. Y'all see it? 305 Ryker Riders out here today. Man, I want to give a shout out to Keith and Big Bike Bars for coming to Miami, being part of us. You know, doing it for the coaches, for the 3-wheel community. Hey, more to come.
So, we out here. I'm out here, Miami, with 305, Beth, Show Chrome, as you can see. We out here in Miami, checking out all the wonderful murals, taking some dope photos. Got the whole crew outside. Shout out to them for showing up big. Nice photo shoot, putting them on the map. This is a wonderful experience. They've held me down, treated me with nothing but love. Shout out to them. And that's probably gonna be a wrap for the whole video. I'm just gonna head out. I got one more day of shooting. It's gonna be light work. After that, heading back to NYC. So, you know, I got something bigger coming too. So you gotta watch out. I'm taking it to another level again. So much love. If you told me back then, oh, I never would've guessed. So now the way I'm winning, I might have to cut the net home. Yeah, I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next. So feeling like I'm Curry, how I'm balling on the West Wall. If you told me back then, oh, I never would've guessed. So now the way I'm winning, I might have to cut the net. Out here with 305, shooting video and footage for show pros. Waiting for these sunny days. Say I'm on way to that show. Told them pipe down, I don't need no hoes. I've been out with my bros. Even back then I knew I'd grow. Now I'm knocking down these doors. They ain't keeping up when I switch these flows. They don't want no smoke. Can't get hot, I can play so low. I've been trying to get it. Told them I'ma run it up. Out on night, so I told them go and fill my cup. Now they texting, but back then they never show me love. They been hating since they won, dog, you looking sus. Now they switching sides, I can't mess with y'all. I could tell they ain't real, I can't get involved. Ooh, I seen them now, and they tryna call. Ooh, this summer's mine, but they tryna watch me fall. Yeah, I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next up. Feeling like I'm Curry, Listen, man. Little guy, big bullets. Big guy, small. The way I'm winning, I might have to cut the net home. Yeah, I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next up. Feeling like I'm Curry, how I'm balling on the West Wall. If you told me back then, oh, I never would've guessed so. Now the way I'm winning, I might have to cut the net.